Yo, what's up everyone? I'm working on a 2017 Lexus RCF. I'm going to be washing the car, decontaminating the paintwork with Iron X, clay bar, amping up the gloss and clarity of the dull white paint with CarPro Essence, then protecting the paintwork with Jescar PowerLock Plus. A little background information or story about this car is that the owner was in the army and he was stationed in Georgia where he bought the car. He drove 41 hours from Georgia to San Francisco and immediately looked for a shop he trusted to clean up his baby. His main concerns for the car when we initially met in person were all of the iron rust particles all over the paintwork. He was concerned about that, and as well as he asked me about what we can do to clean up some of the carbon fiber panels that were on the roof and on his trunk. I always clean the wheels, tires, and wheel well areas first. I'm using P&S Brake Buster and various brushes. I'm also using a microfiber towel for these multi-spoke wheel design to go over it one more time, and also the brake caliper. After cleaning the wheels, tires, and wheel wells, I move on to using Iron X on the paint. 90% of the time it's going to be using it dry without rinsing. The other 10%, if the car is excessively dirty, I will rinse it off first, then I will Iron X it. After that, I move on to washing the car and using both the nanoskin fine grade sponge and the pad. From there, I'm working on the hood just as a demonstration. Yes, it's safe to clay the paint protection film, but I'm not going to be using the pad with the machine on it, just to be on a safe side. So I am claying with just a sponge, and then after I rinse it off, I polish the whole car with a Lake Country white pad and CarPro Essence. And that pretty much wraps up this job. When the customer picked up the car, his reaction was pretty much, he said, "It looks better than a brand new car." And that's what all detailers strive for when their customers pick up their car, for their reaction, because we put in so much energy, we put in so much sweat, so much of our love into these cars, and treat it as if it were our own. And to be able to get a reaction like that means everything to us, besides reinforcing the fact that he trusted us to take care of his car. He trusted us to do the job. So it pretty much gives us a really good self-fulfillment when we see those type of reactions from our customers. Also, if you guys do enjoy these business operation type of content, feel free to hit that like button. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to earn a subscriber, and I will see you guys in the next video.